Hey guys, back with another video. Before we get started, make sure y'all subscribe, hit the big fat thumbs up, notification bell, type down comments below. So me and my mom finna try slime liquor right here, the mega one, which that means it's a little more taller than the regular ones. And we got the blue, I guess this is a blue raspberry something. Alright, so I'm gonna get one of mine. There you go.
Hey guys.
I forgot to do that.
Yeah, I know. She is so busy into this, so.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
Alright, so I guess you just pop the top off. Okay. Oh, I forgot you got a sticker right here.
Put your fingernail like this.
I don't have sharp fingernails like yours.
Oh, okay.
I've been biting mine. So it's best for me just to do this. Just scrape it off. It's supposed to look like that.
I don't know. It look like a roll-on.
Make me try it.
Roll-on.
It look like a deodorant.
Guys, it look like a roll-on deodorant. Look. She wanted this, so we are trying it.
Yep.
So, and they say it's sour. She know I don't like this sour stuff, but I'm trying it with her. So
I can pop the top.
Oh, hers is yellow, and mine is
blue.
Look blue. Yeah, can y'all see that?
So you're supposed to roll it around so it can get wet. See?
Ew, guys, I don't know if I can handle this. Look at London. Look at London.
You're supposed to squeeze it so you can get the thing.
Well, I rolled it around and mine didn't turn.
Let me try. Let me try, Mom.
Let me do like this first. Let me see.
Let me try.
It don't taste too bad.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be real sour.
I told you, Mom.
They say it's sour right there.
Yeah, they said sour roll.
Yeah, right there. That's what it's saying right there.
It said liquid candy, and it's not that sour.
Not that sour, actually.
Yeah,
And guys, guess what? You can refill it with popsicle juice.
Stop. Don't touch your hand all on it. What's wrong with you? Now I got to wipe it off right there. Yours still yellow and mine is blue.
Don't try the blue. You try the yellow. Try the
try.
blue and then I try the yellow.
I'm trying the blue. Mom,
It's not bad, guys. It's really not.
Let me try it.
Get one.
Let me see.
Here.
Whoa! I gotta lean over because they got stuff everywhere. So hold on. So see, this one is yellow. So I'm gonna try this. I hear somebody. Oh,
The car.
we're sitting in the car, guys.
And guys, I got this on Five Below.
Like you can put your deodorant on, a lipstick.
Like this. Dun, dun, dun.
Let me hold it.
Logan.
He all in the miss. But it's not really sour, so.
Nope.
It's just sour, Mom.
It tastes like candy. But
Mom,
I don't want to eat all them sweets. Like,
that's just a sour. Just a sour.
You're supposed to squeeze it and then the juice will come out.
Yeah.
mm.
Let me hold it. Mom.
Wait.
Mom.
Okay. Thank you. Oh,
So guys, this was good. We just wanted to tune in and show y'all our slime liquors
right.
that we got from Five Below.
Five Below.
We just want to tune in and show y'all that. So
Yeah.
make sure y'all
Hey, buddy, we trying to record, buddy, with your All that nonsense going on back there.
So make sure y'all subscribe, hit the big fat thumbs up, notification bell, type down in the comments below. Bye bye.
Bye bye.